Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ron and today we are at 279B Sengkang East, and this is one of the most popular cluster that HDB hunters like yourself is looking for. Situated right next to the Buangkok MRT, Sengkang Grand Mall, and it features a beautiful unblocked view. Without further ado, let's head to the full home tour. So coming into the unit, there is a foyer area that the owner has already constructed a carpentry. So more storage space for you for your shoe cabinets, and coming in, the space will flow into the living and dining area. This is mainly the reason why people love 5-room flats, right? The wide wall-to-wall distance, the owner has put in carpentries for even more storage. They will sit down here, watch the TV, enjoy the unblocked view, and this place is super breezy. And coming over here, you will have an island countertop, even more storage space behind. This will be a place where the owners can actually host their guests, interact with them, and this whole space over here is superb for hosting. The owner has broken down the wall to the original kitchen, making half of it as an open dry kitchen. So over here, you'll have your oven and your microwave, and this glass sliding door will help you to actually enclose the kitchen for any Asian cooking that you need. The owner has newly renovated this kitchen with quartz countertop, and it will have an enclosable yard. One thing to mention is that the yard is actually facing the western exposure, so it's perfect for your laundry drying needs. Next, let's check out the rooms. Of course, you will have your utility over here, the home shelter, followed by the common bathroom. And later on, I will show you what the alteration that the owner has done to cleverly enclose this area for you. Coming into the first common bedroom, as usual, you expect the huge, spacious room. The floor is laid with natural timber, so definitely you can reuse it. And this room has no built-in at all, a ceiling fan, an aircon unit, and it enjoys that unblocked view as well. So this room, definitely you can think of something that you can do with it, but let me show you what did they do to the master bedroom. Originally, this will be the second common room. However, they have used it as the master bedroom where they place their bed over here. Okay, this is the original master bedroom where they have converted into a home office, and as well as a massive L-shaped wardrobe that gives you all your wardrobe needs. And the original entrance to the master bedroom is over here. The owner felt that it's a wasted space, that's why they have sealed it up and put in a vanity dresser area so that you will get that Hollywood star vibes. And when it comes to convenience, this location is unbeatable. You are just 2 minutes sheltered walk to Buangkok MRT, bus interchange, and Sengkang Grand Mall, which also houses the hawker center and community club. For daily essentials, 24 hours NTUC and coffee shop is just right beside it. Plus, there are more eateries and supermarket in the Sengkang Grand Mall itself. Families with kids will be glad to know that the unit is within 1 kilometer to Nan Chiau Primary, North Vista, and Palmview Primary School. There are also plenty of preschool options nearby like My World Preschool, PCF, Sparkle Tots, and My First School, all within a short walk. Honestly, this is a rare gem in Sengkang East Avenue. And there you have it, a 1206 square feet 5-room unit situated at 279B Sengkang East. If you'd like to come here for a viewing, contact me now. See you.